After all the effort put into reinforcing rod, recently it came as no great surprise to see concrete arrive on Monday morning. But before any pour begins, a slump test to confirm that the delivery meets expectations is only to be expected. Once the concrete starts to flow, it becomes very much a team game to maintain continuity. Nothing, not even the close passage of the ferry, is allowed to distract. Only the odd wait for concrete to arrive is allowed to disrupt the action. Producing an excellent finish is always the hallmark of a really good pour. On the face of the ramp, welders are busy burnishing and preparing mounts. A great deal of effort is going into preparing the various fenders and the mounts and brackets that support them. Tuesday produces further evidence that an effort is being made to finish off and level the area to the west end of the south finger. There seems to be some work of a similar nature on the north side whilst the concrete cures. But the most intriguing activity of the day is around the Dolphin. It's clear that ice below the structure is being broken up, but the reason is completely unclear. Wednesday is a depressingly dull and rainy day, with little opportunity to report. But much work continued, regardless. Thursday saw a big team effort to complete one of the most critical tasks on the project. Staff from Utilities Kingston are providing the feed to the massive switch behind the old passenger terminal. From there, 3 substantial cables will carry it in ducts to the transformer beyond the utility building. It was a significant task that required close cooperation and coordination. Whilst the cable work was taking place, the welders were positioning some of the remaining bollards. I didn't have a lot of time to catch up on Friday, but it was clear that there's something significant about to happen at the top of the south finger dock. Elsewhere, cover plates for the ramp joint and the two fenders that will sit on the front of the dock appear ready to be installed. Perhaps it won't be too long before we see a ferry using the new ramp. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up next week.